Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Darshan and today we'll learn about stemming. Stemming is a kind of normalization for words. Many variations of words carry the same meaning, other than when tense is involved. In another word, there is one root word, but there are many variations of the same words. For example, the root word is eat, and its variations are eats, eating, eaten and like so. In the same way, with the help of stemming, we can find the root word of any variations. Here first we have imported two stemmers. Porter stemmer and Lancaster stemmer. Let's first see the results of Porter stemmer. As you can see, every word is converted into its root word. Now let's use Lancaster stemmer. Here you can see same result as Porter stemmer. But better is not converted into good in any of it. In further videos we will see some methods to do so. Hope this helped you in any way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice life. Peace.